Welcome back to Digital class, and today we'll be continuing to discuss about Booklet 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem sum concept. And now we are in change quantity concept, which will be focusing on the quantities ratio proportional exchange. Now, let's look at this question. Here it says that Adam has 3/2 as many bits as Brian at first. So we can say that Adam and we have Brian, and the ratio will be 3:2. And here says that Adam bought 10 more bits. So Adam bought 10 more bits. And Brian gave away 5 bits. Now Adam had 8 over 3 as many bits as Brian in the end. How many bits were there in the end? So now when we look at this one, we know that this is something that's similar to from what we are doing. However, the changes are not the same, or the final are not the same. So what we can do for this concept is actually to make the final the same. Means that we can make this and this to be the same, so that it will be easier for us to compare. So for example, I will times 3 here to make it 24. I will times 8 here to make it here to become 24. So this is basically LCM. And of course, if you times 3 here, we need times 3 here, we need times 3 here. If you times 8 here, we need times 8 here, we need times 8 here. So the new ratio that we will have here will be 9 to 16 plus 30 minus 40, 24, 24. Now, we can see that here now are the same. So we can say that actually is 9 unit plus 30 is 24, 16 minus 40 is 24. So they are the same. So we can say that 9 unit plus 30 is the same as 16 unit minus 40. And what we can do is, as usual, we can move the units or the numbers here. For example, 30, this minus 40, I move here to become plus 40, and equal to 16 unit. This 9 unit, I move it to here to become minus 9 unit. So here will be 70 is equal to 7 unit. If 7 unit is equal to 70, so I can say that 1 unit is equal to 10. Now, however, the very important thing you need to know is that this 1 unit equal to 10, what does it represent? Okay, is it representing here or representing here? So what does it represent? Now, the thing you need to know is that this yellow color 1 unit that we found is actually representing this or this. You might ask why we are not referring to the new ratio. Okay, why? Because the reason that we are referring back to the original ratio is because this new ratio is not what the questions actually give us, or what the question asks us to do. Okay, this is what we assume and come up with. Okay, because this doesn't say that they are the same, right? Yeah, the question didn't say that they are the same. What we are doing is we make it the same so it's easier for us to calculate. That's why we need to go back to the old ratio, not like what we did for the previous concept. Okay, so since they're asking how many bits were there in the end, so we just need to find out 3 unit plus 10 and 2 unit minus 5. It will be what? Okay, so we can find out that 3 unit is equal to what? 30. So you know that 30 we plus 10, so 30 we plus 10, that is equal to 40. And on another side, we have 2 unit, so it will be 20. Then 20 we need to minus 5, they will be 15. And I know that this plus this will be the final answer. So 40 plus 15, and that is 55 bits. And that's all for this question. Okay. So thanks so much, and I hope you learned something. See you. Bye bye.